Standing in the water.
It's nice. It's like a mud bath.
Well, that's good. Mud baths are very exfoliating.
I need to rinse off my bum.
Don't do it in this water.
Yeah, that's probably right there. It's mostly just water there, though.
What are you doing, Mr. Fly?
Just wait until we end up. Yeah, just wait until we end up going into the mud pit again, and then we'll be okay.
Yeah, seriously, this isn't working.
Well, no, duh. It's muddy water.
That's why I didn't go in yet.
Way to go, smart one.
That's why I'm still recording you. Ah, there's too many flies.
Do not